This Coldwell Banker Reehl Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Michael Dorsett. Nestled in a highly desired area, this stunning residence boasts 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, thoughtfully designed with a split floor plan for optimal comfort and privacy. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a chef's dream with custom wood cabinets, double convection ovens, a gas range, granite countertops, under-cabinet lighting, a new Kohler faucet, stainless steel appliances, a tiled backsplash, a breakfast bar, and a cozy breakfast nook. Adjacent is the inviting keeping room, complete with a fireplace and new blinds adorning the kitchen and front door, while timeless plantation shutters grace the rest of the home. The expansive primary bedroom offers tranquility and space, complemented by a luxurious primary bath featuring a soaking tub, separate shower, walk-in closet, water closet, and dual vanities. Entertaining is a delight with a sizable bonus/game room and a home theater/media room equipped with all new equipment including a projector, receiver, DVD player, and dedicated remote. A convenient snack bar awaits, featuring a beverage refrigerator, built-in ice maker, wine cooler, microwave, and sink. Efficiency meets convenience with a large laundry room equipped with an oversized sink, drop zone, LG washer/dryer and a Kenmore Elite French door refrigerator. Other notable features include a reverse osmosis drinking water system, a fenced backyard, and a 37 by 25 3-car garage. Enjoy outdoor living on the expansive front and back porches, complete with a natural gas hookup on the back porch. Additionally, this home is equipped with a whole house generator, and all new gutters. This property seamlessly combines luxury, functionality, and convenience for the discerning homeowner. Just 10 minutes from USCG/ATC Mobile, this home boasts an ideal location and an abundance of high-end features. All information provided is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. Buyer and/or buyer's agent to verify all information buyer deems important. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Dorsett at 251-463-6682.